Yes, we caught the whole lot.
What's your current situation?
What is your problem? Why can't you stay out of trouble?
And if I hadn't shown up, where would you be now?
I can take care of myself.
Oh, is that so?
Hey, both of you!
This is all your fault!
Eh? What did you say? The explosion left me a little deaf.
What a jerk.
Yeah, what rock did you ooze out from under?
Yep, I'm Slime, which reminds me, I've got one more little job for you girls. How about it?
You're joking. He's serious!
Out of my way!